It's time to get those yachts ready for the Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show, and interior designer Francis Herrera is giving the 95-foot luxury yacht, the Holy Cow, a one-day makeover.
I love the classic detailing of the space. I love the neutral palette, but it's a wonderful opportunity to jazz it up with some amazing luxury accessories and more modern patterns to bring it to life and highlight all of its beautiful classic details. My goal in executing this design, my one-day luxury makeover, is to scale it back a little, make it more understated with a little bit of a contemporary flair so that it ultimately appeals to a larger audience and ultimately we get the buyer that we're looking for. Fake flowers are never a luxury element, so these have got to go. This vase is much more understated, still glamorous, and is the perfect element for these niches. I'll be introducing various elements that have contemporary and modern patterns to them that are going to give it a more youthful, younger look, as well as textures that are going to make it feel rich. Setting a beautiful bar with the perfect entertaining essentials can really elevate your entertaining and make your guests feel incredibly welcome. This dining area could really use some pizzazz. With just the right tableware, this area is going to be amplified where your dinner guests instantly feel like royalty. This stately master bedroom suite is lacking sophistication. The right luxury linens are going to bring it back to life to the point where you will never want to get out of bed. My Dayzine one-day luxury makeovers are very popular right before the boat show because it's a perfect service to highlight all of the beautiful elements that a yacht has with the use of accessories. It's also very fast and efficient and very cost effective. So it takes a yacht that's already beautiful but enhances it and brings it to the next level, which makes it showcase beautifully just in time for the show.